Welcome dear students. Let's continue with the exercise 21A. Today I am taking question number 5. So the first question for the day, question number 5 says, okay, so find the volume and total surface area of a cube whose each edge is number 1 8 centimeter, number 2 2 meter and 40 centimeter. Okay, so we are talking about cube. Remember, this time this is a cube, this is not a cuboid. So volume and total surface area. So I'm sure you're familiar with the formula for volume and total surface area. Okay, so number 1, each side or each edge is given to be 8 centimeter. So given is A equals to 8 centimeter. Okay, so therefore volume. So volume will be, formula for volume is A cube, right? So it is 8 cube, remember. Okay, so we have 8 cube is 512. Okay, so 8 cube is 512. 8 into 8 into 8 is 512, and the unit is going to be centimeter cube. Okay, and question is asking you to find total surface area also. Now formula for total surface area is 6a square. So we have 6 into a square. A is 8, so it is 8 square, right? So 8 square is 64. So 64 into 8, I'm sorry, 64 into 6 will be 384. So the total surface area is 384. Now since it is area, your unit is going to be centimeter square. Simple. So this was your first question. So let me take number 2 at the same time. So in this case, given is A equals to 2 meter 40 centimeter. Okay, now there are 2 units, so better convert them into 1 unit. So 40 centimeter is 0.4 meter, remember, because 40 centimeter, if you convert this into meter, you have to divide by 100. So 40 divided by 100 is 0.4. So that's why 2 meter and 0.4 meter, altogether it is 2.4 meter. Okay, so A is given to be 2.4 meter. Now simple, others are same, so volume will be A cube. Okay, so therefore your volume is going to be A cube, that is 2.4 cube. Okay, so 2.4 cube means 2.4 into 2.4 into 2.4. Okay, so when you calculate 2.4 into 2.4 into 2.4, you get 13.824. Okay, so this is your volume in meter cube. I'm sorry, this is not centimeter cube, this is meter cube, because the unit is in meter. Now total surface area, again formula is 6a square. So 6 into A is 2.4. Okay, so we have 2.4 square. So when you calculate this, so 2.4 square into 6 give you, into 6 will give you 34.56. Okay, so this will be in meter square. All right, so you may pause the video and note down your first solution. Let's move to the next question. So in the next question, I'll be taking only number 2. So find the length of each edge of a cube if its volume is this much. So in number 2, what is given to you is, given is volume. Okay, so volume is given to be 1.728 meter cube. You have to find length of each edge, isn't it? Now you know volume for cube is A cube, isn't it? So A cube is given to be 1.728. Okay, so better convert this into fraction. Okay, so you get this much. Simple. Now A cube is equals to, now factorize the numerator. Okay, factorize the numerator, because you have to find the cube root, isn't it? So when you find the factorization, okay, so when you do the factorization of 1728, you can write this as 12 into 12 into 12. You can write this as 12 into 12 into 12. So in other words, I can write this as 12 cube by the denominator. If you factorize it, you get 10 cube. Okay, or in other words you can write this as 12 by 10 whole cube, isn't it? So if a cube is equals to 12 by 10 whole cube, then the value of a from here will be 12 by 10. If you remove the, if you cancel the powers, you get a equals to 12 by 10, isn't it? Which is 1.2. Now what is a actually? A is length of each side, isn't it? So therefore each edge of the cube is how much? It is 1.2. And what is the unit? Unit that you have used here is meter. So that's why your answer will be 1.2 meter. So pause the video and note down your solution. Let's move to next question. So next question is also similar or simple. So question says total surface area is, so given is total surface area is 216 centimeters square. Okay, now formula for total surface area is 6a square. All of you know this. So this is 216. So from here a square is here, so it is 216 divided by 6. Okay, so let's do the cancellation. So 6 1 is 6, right? 6 3s are 18. So carried over 3 goes over out here and it becomes 36. So 6 6 are 36. So we get, how much do we get here? So we get 36 by 1, which is 36. So if a square is 36, then a is going to be square root of 36, which is 6. Okay, so we got each edge of the cube. Question is asking you to find the volume. Okay, so therefore volume will be, all of you know the formula is a cube. Now a is 6, so 6 cube. Okay, now 6 cube is again how much? 6 cube is again 216. So unit is going to be centimeter cube this time. Simple. So you may pause the video and note down your solution. Let's move to next question now. So next question says, and this is going to be my last question for the day. A wall 9 meter long, 6 meter high and 20 centimeter thick. Okay, so there's a wall whose dimension is given. Okay, so let me draw a rough diagram for you. Okay, so there's a wall. So let's say this is the side view of the wall. Okay, so if this is the wall, then can you tell me what will be the shape of this wall? Shape of this wall is a cuboid whose length is given to be 9 meter. So this is given to be 9 meter. Okay, this height of the wall is given to be how much? It is given to be 6 meter. Okay, and the width of the wall, that is this, is given to be, or this is given to be 20 centimeter. Okay, now for the construction of this wall, obviously you need bricks, isn't it? And the dimension of bricks is also given. Okay, so dimension of brick, so let me say that this is the brick that you are using here. Okay, so the dimension of brick is given to be 30 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Okay, so you can take this to be 30 centimeter, you can take this to be 15 centimeter, okay, and you can take this to be 10 centimeter. Okay, so question is asking you how many bricks are required. See, in the in the question in your book, hint is also given. Okay, so let me write down what is the hint. So hint is number of bricks is equals to volume of the wall divided by volume of the brick. So this is the formula that is given in your book. Okay, so basically my aim is to find what is the volume of the wall and what is the volume of the brick. Okay, and make sure that their units are also same. Okay, so we have got two cases here. So we have got a wall and we have got brick. Okay, so we have got two things out here. So we'll calculate what are their volumes. Since they are in cuboidal shape, we are going to have their length, breadth and height. Okay, so let's see what's their length, breadth and height. Okay, so length is given to be For the wall, length is given to be 9 meter. Breadth is given to be 20 centimeter, and the height is given to be 6 meter. Okay. Now, for the brick, we have length. Length is given to be 30 centimeter. Breadth is given to be 10 centimeter, and the height is given to be 15 centimeter. Now, if you see here, we have got almost all the units in centimeter. So let's convert this meter also in centimeter. So you get 900 centimeter. This is going to be 600 centimeter. Okay. So all of you know that the formula for calculating number of bricks is therefore number of bricks, right? So number of bricks will be given by volume of the wall by volume of the brick. So this is the formula. Now, volume of the wall will be length into breadth into height, because for cuboid your volume is L into B into H, and what is for wall, what is L? L is 900. What is breadth? Breadth is 20, and what is H? H is 600. So this is the volume of the wall divided by, we have volume of the brick, which is 30 into 10 into 15. Okay, now our job is to do the cancellation. Okay, so let's do the cancellation then. So if we have 0 0 0 0 gets cancelled, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, right? So 1 out here, so 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. Okay, so let's do the multiplication. So in the numerator we have 4 into 600, so 6 into 4 is 24, and we have got 2 more zeros, and in the denominator we have only 1. So that's why the total number of bricks turns out to be 2400 required to construct this wall. Okay, so with this we close for the day. So you may pause the video and note down your solution. Thank you very much.